What's good, people? Again, it's your boy Jerome, man, and we are back for another video after so many years. But as you guys see by the thumbnail and the title, today we're going on a cabin trip. Just woke up, so don't mind my beard. I haven't brushed my teeth. I haven't done nothing like that. So, but we decided to just do a little vloggy for you guys. Cause it's been so long. We're gonna vlog the whole trip. It ain't that long. Babe, how many days is it? I think it's like
3 days, 2 nights.
3 days, 2 nights. So not that long, but we're here packing. We'll show you what we got going on. This is what I got going on. Guys, I've never been to a cabin trip. I don't know what to bring. I just pick out some stuff. And that, it don't look like too much, but it look like a lot, but I don't know. Babe already packed her stuff right here. My stuff gonna be right there. We're bringing one suitcase. Journey with me. As we do it for the BB Gang flag. Baby, want to say anything? Long time I'm not here, so I look fair right now. Long time I'm not here. Who is that ugly? Good morning.
Good morning.
We're here to do some business.
I'm trying to buy something.
People that want to say hey to you.
Hey guys. We're going on a camping trip. Do my forehead like a 5-head?
We don't know if a fire bigger. Yours or mine?
Mine's definitely bigger than yours.
Well, yeah, guys. So we're going on a camping trip. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Journey with us. And yeah. We'll catch you guys when I pick up at the camera. Whenever that be. More like it would be when we're on the road. Probably gonna go to the grocery store, get a couple stuff. I don't know if we're gonna flag it or not, but more likely we're definitely gonna flag when we're driving there. We're gonna flag when we get there. And yeah, catch you guys. So guys, I've never been to a cabin trip. I don't know if we bring. She said we're going to the woods. Right? Babe, beers, they show beers sign sitting right there over there. She did right there saying no. She hide. Cause she look at my stuff. She asked us if we're not sweatpants. We said we're not bring none. She said we're going to the woods. So I don't know.
He packing like we're going to New York City or something like that.
I never got the woods before. Cabin woods, whatever you want to call it.
I ain't never been to the woods either.
All these are regular clothes.
No, yes, exactly. Like this is regular going out clothes. You need like basic stuff. Like you could do the white tees, the black tees, and get you like some sweatpants or something. Cause we're gonna be in the woods, babe. So like,
what do you mean by woods? Like beers on the snakes and something like that?
Yeah.
Alright, go stop by parking on there and something there.
Okay. Right. So yeah, this and this going back.
I'm about to go to my bed. That's all I'm about to do.
You can do these and then get you some sweatpants.
So I'm having 4 under in there.
Okay, this is good.
3 undershirt, white shirt.
This is good.
Alright. I have 2 socks.
Okay, this is good. Bring 2 more just in case.
2 more?
Just in case. What if you step in water?
I'm gonna wear one, go.
Okay, give you 2 more.
Oh my god.
You never know what happens. We're in the woods. It could be anything. We could get lost.
But there's the one guy in the woods. Who get out there for the woods? Who get out there for the woods? Huh? Wait, before. Who get the idea to figure out where you want to go woods?
Because it's nice, y'all. So I found this idea on TikTok. So it's the getaway houses. We're off on Thursday and Fridays. And sometimes we never do anything or we never go anywhere on our off days. We're not off on the weekend. So it's not like we can like just go somewhere on the weekend. So we have to take advantage of these off days during the week. So
man, boys be tired.
Yeah, we be tired, y'all. So the last road trip we did was to San Antonio, and we actually did it. We did it for our off days. No, for our anniversary.
Yeah, it was no.
Yeah, it was a
day. It was a one. Yeah.
So we did a 1-day trip to San Antonio for our anniversary, and I was like, let's just I want to find somewhere like small because our anniversary is coming up. So we're not trying to fly anywhere right now, but I do want to get out of Houston and go do something. So I was on TikTok trying to find places like to drive to that you know is intimate or whatever. So I came across the getaway houses, like the little small camping houses with the big window, and then they have like the little campfire and everything on the outside of it.
Wouldn't them have a curtain, right?
They have a curtain, babe. They have a curtain. So okay, sweatpants.
Some rainbow shots.
You can wear shorts too.
No, tree.
Okay.
That's cool. I'm just in the sweatpants.
Just in case at night.
Okay.
So yeah, that's why we're going on this little camping thing, y'all. We not the camping type. We're not gonna go and like,
yeah, sure ain't no camping type.
we're not gonna go and hike. We're not doing that because, baby, I listen to true crime stories every day. Yeah, I listen to true crime stories every day, and I don't want to be a part of the true crime story.
That's cool.
Yeah.
Just one?
No, bring another one, babe.
Another one?
We doing 2 nights. We might be outside making s'mores or something. You don't have another pair? I thought you had a different kind of pair.
No, I'm not another pair. Whenever you sweatpants like that.
You know what? Sweatpants. Okay, give me that one then.
So we're gonna have carry on this on jeans pants.
Okay, you can wear jeans then. That's up to you. Okay. You got underwear, socks, sleeping clothes, I guess. Shoes.
You guess?
I guess that's your sleeping clothes. Cause I have pajamas. I have matching pajamas.
But we're not matching pajamas like you. I mean, guys don't really make matching pajamas like that.
You bring those?
These? I'll try to bring one of them. I left you guys so far. Bring it over so you can see where I'm going. So guys, it's getting full.
This show, yeah, so this is my side, this is his side. I already packed my stuff up. I'm not unzipping this because it took me time to zip that up. So I just have basic stuff in here. I have like 2 active sets. I have like a basic like crop pullover thingy or whatever, and some tights. And that's basically what I'm bringing, tights and active sets. And I have 2 pair of shoes in here. 1 pair I can wear like, you know, regular or whatever.
So I never shoes everything I said that for in the car.
So you just need, I guess you could just bring you 1 pair of shoes to put in here, and then 1 you gonna wear, or you gonna put on slippers.
Probably the slippers for sure. But yeah, guys, we're gonna finish packing up, and then we turn the camera back on.
Okay, y'all. So we are inside of HEB right now. Say hey, babe. He's so weird. Okay, y'all, so we're at HEB right now. Don't ask me why I'm hiding my forehead yet, because I'm hiding it for a reason. So we're at HEB. We got like majority of the items. We need to go and get like so we're getting burger stuff, and we're getting like stuff to make shish kebabs. So yeah, we have like some like general stuff like drinks. I got me some poppies, y'all. If y'all have not tried poppy soda, prebiotic soda, go try it. So we just got burger buns, we got some drinks, some soda, some Gatorades, we got stuff to make s'mores here. Sorry. I know. We got like snacks here, and then y'all, if you know, you know. If you know, you know. Scooby snacks, oh my god, that was my shit in high school. I mean in middle school. And then I got some dip here, and then we got some cinnamon rolls for like breakfast or whatever, and then like some little miscellaneous, like, you know, disposable toothbrush, pill bottle, and stuff like that. So right now we're gonna go to like get the rest of the burger stuff. So we need burger meat, cheese, probably like some onions, stuff like that. And then we have chicken at home, chicken wings and like leg quarters and stuff. So I don't know, we might get like chicken breast for the shish kebabs, or we're probably just gonna do shrimp shish kebabs. So yeah, come with us as we shop. Alright, y'all, so we are out of HEB. We spent like $100 in there. We got the groceries. Groceries are secured. Right there in our little HEB bags. Groceries are secured. So now we're just trying to figure out like what we're gonna eat. At first we were thinking about getting breakfast, but it's like almost 11, and I know most places don't do breakfast after 11 or something like that. So we were thinking if we should just get lunch or what, because we're not gonna cook anything until we get to the camp area, probably like what, like 6:30ish, maybe. Yeah. Or when the sun goes down, probably.
Sun goes down.
I know it go down at 5, huh?
Sun goes down by 5:30.
That's crazy.
Well, like we're gonna get there, we're gonna show you guys the cabin,
Yeah, do a little room tour.
Room tour. It's probably gonna be like, this is probably gonna be the 2 series video. And then probably do a little walk around, and that's gonna be it for that, for part 1.
Yeah.
And part 2 will start tomorrow.
Part 2 starts
depends what's in
tomorrow.
the area that we do.
Yeah.
So we're definitely gonna be vlogging, be cooking and making the duskabal, whatever that shit called.
A shish kebab?
Shish kebab.
A what, baby?
Shish kebab.
Shish kebab?
How you say it?
Shish
Shish
kebab.
kebab.
Shish kebab.
Shish kebab.
Shish kebab.
Shish kebab.
This is hilarious, y'all. He didn't even know what a s'mores was.
She keeps saying s'mores. I'm like, what the hell is a s'mores?
And he's talking about, okay.
Morning, I'm over here. I ain't really been answering you. I'm like, what the hell is a s'mores? So I'm trying to think what we need to buy, because I've never been to a cabin. I'm trying to think what we need. She's like, we need to get s'mores, babe. In my head, I'm like, s'mores. She's saying it again. I'm like, babe, what the F is a s'mores?
And so we had picked up the chocolate and the graham crackers. And so he was like, okay, next we need the mushrooms. Mushrooms?
Yeah.
He trying to, yeah. I don't know what kind of s'mores he trying to have, y'all. But yeah, so I guess once we figure out what we finna eat, then we're gonna go home and grab the last little things, like put in our bag, because we got like a small thing of mouthwash and disposable toothbrushes and stuff. So we're gonna put that in our bag, and then I guess we're gonna load up and hit the road, Jack. Ah, I'm so excited. Yeah, I've been excited for this trip since I booked it. Like, I'm just excited. I'm just excited to get out of Texas.
First time,
well, not out of Texas,
first time I'm going to a cabin trip, so we'll see how it goes, you know.
So y'all, the location we're going to is Navasota, Texas. It's the location that's because they have different locations, but I picked the Houston location, and the one that's closest to Houston is Navasota, Texas. So yeah, if you guys are in like the Houston area or Pearland area, Dallas, I think they have one in Dallas as well. I mean, you could go to the website, Getaway Houses, the website, and then you can look at the locations, but Navasota is the one closest to Houston or whatever. So yep, we're going to Navasota, Texas, y'all. All right, y'all, so it is currently, oh, it's 12:30. So it's currently 12:30, and we are all packed up. We're ready to go. So we have cameras packed up, batteries, we have the food. I have my husband packed up. So y'all, look at our little survival kits. So we got everything that we need for this 2.5 day trip. And here is both me and my husband's clothes, because I was like, we don't need separate bags. We're only going for 3 days. And here is like our no, wait, let me start from this side. So this is like the frozen food and the meat in here, with the bread, of course, but like all that is like the cold stuff there. We got shrimp, scallops, burgers, all of that in there. And then here is like our snacks and plates and seasonings and stuff. They might have their own seasoning at the cabin, but we're gonna pack our own as well. So yeah, let me make sure that's closed. We have the seasons and stuff in there, and then in here, they might have their pots though, babe. I mean, we could bring one if you want to. But in here is like our, it's more snacks in here. The s'mores, the eggs. I probably should have put the eggs on top. I'll rearrange that. But got the cookie spray. Oh, babe, get the foil paper out of there. We need the foil paper.
Go and make the fries.
Yeah. We do need oil. I would say if we get there a little early, well, no, let's just bring our oil. We can just bring our oil. It's fine. Yeah. So foil paper. We need oil. And yeah. So tonight I think we decided what we're gonna eat tonight. What did we say? Wings? The wings, or do we say shish kebabs? Shish kebabs. Cause we get there at 3.
With fries? What up with the fries? Oh, we're not gonna cook with the fries.
Oh no, the fries is with the burger. The wings is with the corn.
Oh.
Yep. So we got wings. We're gonna do like on the grill, wings and corn. So we're gonna do like roasted corn.
We have to put the butter in that fire, that's it?
Yeah. Put the butter in the foil with the corn. Yeah, I put it in there.
Butter in it?
I put it in there.
Butter and milk.
I put it with the cold stuff, babe. It's sitting on top of the shrimps and stuff. It's only like an hour and probably like 20 minutes. So yeah, we're gonna do tonight. We're gonna do wings on the grill with the. I have the pancakes, so yeah.
Pancake.
I put it in the. I put it in the bag, babe.
What's your answer?
I put it in the bag.
What you put in that bag?
The pancake mix.
But it look like I seen more the day, so.
No, that's probably because I dug from the middle.
You sure you put enough?
I put like, let me see.
If you didn't put enough, you're not taking it off.
No, because you need proof.
But you know how black pepper?
We don't have black pepper.
Yes, we do have black pepper.
Where?
What is? Oh yeah. One of your pack. Yeah, pack right now. Yeah, me I bring pancake, but I forget the syrup. You want fries, you forget the oil.
Babe. That's why you're here. That's why you're here. No, listen.
That's why you're here.
No, listen. Because y'all, I'm packing his stuff and my stuff. So. Yeah.
I would think it should be me that would messing up, not you. I mean, should I mess up, not me?
I'm packing up everything. Give me the oil and give me the black pepper and give me the syrup.
You sure enough pancake for 2 days?
Yes.
Well, 1 day, right? No, 2 days.
Like 2. Because we have cinnamon rolls too.
Okay.
I wanted to leave the house by 1 if possible, or we can we're finna load up and leave now because we have to go drop something at my granny, and then we have to go pick up the skewer sticks from her because she said she had more, so I was gonna buy more if she already has some. She don't use it like that, so we need to pick up the skewer sticks. Babe, did your package get delivered?
I'm gonna check.
Okay. You think I was thinking about that too. Which one?
I don't know. I'm just asking because I was like, how you gonna make
the wings?
Yeah.
We can. Which one is that? Hot?
No, this mild. No, it's hot.
Okay. We're gonna bring jerk season. We're gonna have jerk wings. Oh, on the grill. Yeah, that'd be cool. Cause y'all, we have a grill, but we can't grill anything because we live on the 2nd floor. So, in order for us to grill, we have to go downstairs.
Yeah, wings, right?
Huh?
You have the bulk of wings.
We have to go downstairs in the little courtyard area to grill food. So I guess when we get our house or whatever, we're gonna be grilling. So yeah, I got my Stanley cup with my water because unfortunately it's that time of the month for me. Gotta stay hydrated, y'all. Going through the sky, little white sky. Oh my god, I missed that show.
I know, I missed that show too.
Why they don't make?
They don't make them.
They don't make them like they used to.
You got the sauce, bitch.
Y'all, so we 3 minutes away, y'all. We 3 minutes away. So this what we looking at. This the road. It kind of remind me of the country.
This is the country.
I know, but I'm saying like, so it's kind of reminding me of like when we go uptown for my family reunion. So
she said Deer Run Road.
Yeah. So we on the main road. So I have the little map thingy of like all the campgrounds and stuff. So they sent me a message like 15 minutes ago you know, giving directions to where we need to go for our camping cabin, whatever, and passcodes and all that stuff. Lord, look at this. It's like something out of Michael Myers. This is where they shot the movie at.
It ain't too late to cancel this bit, huh?
Yeah, baby, we can't get our money back. Y'all, look at this. Oh, hell no. Open firewood.
Hey, right
No, wait a minute.
boy, that sound like there's no trespassing.
Oh, Jesus. Okay, we finna leave. Don't worry, we finna go.
Man, hell yeah, man.
Hold on, let me look it up. Lord, please tell me we got service.
Man, oh, man, they gonna come out here with that shotgun.
Y'all, I'm so confused. Yeah, follow him. Maybe that is. Okay, yeah, because this is the dead end, I'm assuming, right here. Yeah, we don't want to get caught in this shit.
Here?
Yeah, go down there, baby.
Look at these dogs. All the dogs came out.
Oh.
You know, they're only.
Yeah, this is right here. I'm sorry. Why they put us right here by these people?
And all the dogs came out that mug, man.
Them dogs said what?
Man, you know that those proper white folks, man.
Hell yeah, them white
got
folks.
them shotguns.
You ain't.
Man, you trying to get me killed, bro?
Y'all look at this.
Man, your other phone.
Look at this.
Man, you trying to get, man, look at the maps.
It's nothing on the map, y'all.
Wait.
Guests only. Go to the guests only. Cabins. There we go.
Me bumbo clot.
Yeah, I'm scared. Keep going. We're going to Lady Bird Way. So Lady Bird's Way.
Me bumbo clot.
Go straight. Y'all see the directions right here? Go straight. Yo.
Brother.
Y'all look, this is our documentary, okay? I be watching true crime stories for the past week now.
Man, where you go? You sure GPS right?
Huh?
I'm sure nobody gonna let them bushes in.
Right.
I'm gonna slop. Stop. It's okay. Stop. It's slop.
It says slow down.
Slow down.
Okay. What is it? Slow down. What that say? Do not enter. We ain't gonna enter. Keep going.
I ain't gonna where, sir. Where I go?
Keep going.
Sir.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. We in the middle of nowhere. We are ducked. Yo, it's berries on those trees. Those are poisonous. I seen that on the Hunger Games. Yeah. Oh, they got like a little bench right here. We can come over here. We can come over here. We can come over here and just walk and, you know, enjoy each other's company and, you know, stuff like that.
Go on.
Go on what?
Go on.
I'm not going over there.
Okay.
Lock this damn door for somebody to come out and get me. Oh, y'all, look at these berries. Wait, babe, don't move. Y'all see the berries? I wonder how do they map all this out? Like, who came here and just decided to build stuff in here? You know,
I can't be that.
Y'all, look at these okay, somebody's already in that one. I don't want to show their cabin. Yo, somebody's already there. It's the one. We in Dixie. Yo, look, y'all, look at the cabins. They're ducked off. So our cabin is named Dixie. Y'all, we made it to the cabin. I'm a little scared, but we made it to the cabin.
I'm glad that 3 days I stay. I'm not lying.
Yeah.
I was skeptical of the 3 days. I said, babe, 3 days only. But I'm glad 3 days.
3 days.
I'm not lying. I'm glad that 3 days, boy.
Beep, 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 beep.
That's how cabin look.
Beep. Whoo-wee. Y'all, I'm scared. Y'all, look at this.
So what's in it right here? All right, guys, we made it to the spot, man, to the cabin, and let me tell you one thing. I didn't know it was gonna be like this, boy.
Okay, y'all. To my defense, the ones that
I not blame you, man. I never know that gonna be like this. Man, I blame you.
Yeah.
But I say, I never know, but then I gotta be around so much bushes.
Yeah.
And then I make it out of nowhere. I never know that. I never know that.
I should have looked up like videos and stuff of. Oh, I look bald. I should have looked up videos of like the location, like in Houston, because the ones I was looking at, the cabin looked kind of bigger, and oh,
Yeah, I was looking too.
the cabin looked kind of bigger, and then the other one they had like lights stringed up outside, kind of like rope lights. I think it's called rope lights or something like that. So,
Yeah, I look. We don't see no lights over here.
Yeah, it's no lights like.
It look like once you come outside, it's pitch black.
Yeah, but I mean, we got the campfire, so we can light some, make a campfire or whatever, and face the woods like.
We'll back turn to the road.
Yeah. Back turn to the road. We are in cabin Dixie, as you can see. Shall I get Dixie? So this is our cabin. It's black. So this is, they gave us like a little.
I'm not showing you.
Oh.
I was catching the trees.
Nah, you catch them because you're scared. You trying to see what that noise is.
Them trees ain't not gonna fall. Well, look, I don't gonna fall. I'm not lie.
So they gave us like a, I guess campfire kit. So it's like just wood and I think this is like campfire starter or something.
Just one?
It's two. And then what is this? Oh, this is charcoal. What the hell? Yeah, are these matches?
I opened it already.
You did? Oh, maybe this is what you put in there. And child, look, I don't know. Hell, we need a tutorial. I just know how to get a piece of paper, light it, and then put it in the wood.
Yeah,
That's it. Meat.
I'm trying to see how much of this we lose at one time.
I guess just use like one thing.
Bag?
Yeah, and then just, we such city people.
You're damn right we are.
Okay, so we about to go in. They sent me a message, like I told y'all, giving me details of codes and then, like, if we need help and how to do the code and everything. So let's go ahead.
Open the door. When you book it, you say we wanna be for 2 nights. It was like 2 nights are short, but when we that drive through the woods, 2 night good. 2 night good. 2 night good. Why?
Ready?
Ready for my blood clot, y'all already.
The door's open bigger. Yeah. Ready, go in?
Shit's good.
Oh my gosh. Oh, they have books up here, cards and everything. Oh, it's like a mini apartment. Oh, they have coffee. That's olive oil. We got some extra virgin olive oil. Where's the coffee?
Oh. Yeah. What's some stuff up here?
Oh.
Pour over coffee.
Okay, cool.
There's a lot of food. I mean, they got the basic stuff.
I think your package just got delivered.
What do you know?
It's a somebody at the door.
Oh, I might be showing you guys
package
properly.
Delivered.
This is the bed right here, guys.
Cell phone lockbox.
This lockbox.
Let me see your phone real quick.
Yeah, what?
I'm gonna kick your ass. You get on my nerves.
This is the bed. You're afraid of me though? Without lying, you're afraid of me.
Scary ass.
This is how the outside view look like.
Give me your phone so I can do the aesthetic stuff.
Do what?
So I can put it in here so I can show it on my camera.
Yeah, you saw the outside look, guys. These little things, they can come down, so for privacy reason. Yeah, so it's no TV in here, as you guys can see. There ain't no TV. It's really small. Where though? Really small.
I can get there.
Inside of here, trash can. What is this? Oh, they got aluminum foil. So what do you use my phone for?
I put it in the lockbox.
My phone in that lockbox? I got my blood clear phone boy in that lockbox. Okay, me and somebody outside there, man. This little small fridge boy phone in the lockbox. This is, I guess this is the AC.
Oh, this would be so good for content. Like,
What kind of content?
I don't know, like early morning content.
Oh.
Oh, yes. I'm finna, baby, I'm finna.
You finna make hella content, huh? This is the restroom. Where's the light for this thing at? There ain't no light here. It is a light in here. I hate them these lights when you turn it on and everything come on. Man.
Ain't nobody washing here?
Nope. Conditioning.
Oh, yes, it is.
Yeah?
And shampoo, yeah.
How you can't tell?
It's
Oh, it's pretty full. Yeah. Oh, man, this enough for one. This, babe, we both can't fit in here.
Yes, we can. Come on. No, not with your shoe, boo.
Oh, we both can't fit. We both can't fit. Barely. Oh, they got turned on in the shower.
We're gonna do like this.
No. No, one person have still tab for watch your door.
Baby, we can lock.
No, one person have still tab for watch.
Look.
Man, I can't lock. The fire ignition, sir. Yeah, people, what is this? This is all to go outside.
That's the light.
Not about the lamp.
Oh, yeah. Let's turn it on.
Is there gasoline in there?
No.
I go buy batteries.
Oh, maybe. I don't know.
But yeah, let me turn this off. Hey guys, this is our little restroom. This is a little window right here. Go inside.
Oh, they gave us, what's the names?
What?
Little sticks to do s'mores, so we didn't need to buy ours. Because online,
oh, so this is the,
that's the s'mores kit. Because online, it has said if we wanted the s'mores kit, we had to pay. And I was like, well, no, we can go get our own, like our own s'mores and stuff. We don't have to pay an extra fee for like 1 pack of s'mores. So I guess it's complimentary. What is this? Take what you like. We'll send you the tab. All prices include tax. Sorry, we don't accept cash. Coffee is $2. Tea is $2. Hot chocolate is $1. Insect wipes log bundle is $8. Fire starter. So if we use these, we have to pay that amount.
what's the fire starter? This?
Outside and it being down there.
Oh.
So if we use that, we gotta pay $8. I love this. So babe, can we get one of these? Like you chop up what you need and then put it back.
Oh, it sticks under.
They have like these little I want to get this little knife kitchen set where it's like magnet where you cut and then you kind of like put the knife or whatever on there. I think that is so cool.
That's light right here.
Huh?
It's light.
Yeah, for reading. We can play cards.
Oh, we didn't bring the, what's the name?
The board games.
Yeah, we didn't bring it.
We sure did not. Well, look like we playing cards. You know how to play
I haven't played cards in so long.
blackjack and
What's this?
radio.
Blackjack.
And oh, I haven't played either. I can't even think of the names. Blackjack, bingo. No, what is it called? Yeah, I don't know. I haven't played cards in so long. Well, I guess we're just gonna have to like. Do I have service? If I have service, then I can find like.
Oh, that's the light.
I can find like little question games, but I don't.
phone is it? Say my phone on your phone.
Because I needed it for aesthetic purposes so I can record. But this is cute though. They have the little window part here. Where,
This is the part I seen on the picture.
yeah. I didn't know it was facing the trees. I thought, well, I mean, there's different parts of the world though. Because they have this little thing in like Dallas, Texas, I believe. They have one in like Eastern countries and all that stuff. So yeah. Where is it in? In the back?
This.
Oh shit. But this is cute though. This is a cute little business though. I like that.
Salt and black pepper, like what you see.
I told y'all we gonna have salt and pepper. Salt and pepper.
You pay for them here? You take one?
So I guess we finna get everything out because we have refrigerated items. Do they have a freeze?
Yeah, they ain't big enough, but.
They don't have a freezer.
Yes, it is.
A freezer? Where's the freezer part? Up
Oh,
here?
yeah.
Oh, that's the freezer part? Oh. Okay. So we finna get everything out the car because we have seafood, like frozen stuff too. So guess we about to get everything out. I guess we can leave the chicken out because it's frozen. Since we're gonna eat that tonight. Leave the chicken out. And yeah. So right now it's currently 3:19. We got here like what, 2:45ish?
Mm-hmm.
2:45.
Yeah, 2:45, yeah.
Yeah, I'm ready. I told you, boo. It ain't shit out here for us to do.
Ain't nothing, boy. It ain't nothing out here to do. Me pack all these extra clothes thinking we finna go out to eat and shit. Nothing there.
He a city boy. This is the cold stuff here. Ooh, that's... So I need to make sure that I put that in the refrigerator. Well, let me put that in the refrigerator while you bring this stuff in. Got bread for the hamburgers. Got some butter. And then in here, we got some breakfast sausages, cheese for the burgers, corn. Huh? I don't know what he said. Corn to go with the, what's the date on these? They're about 20. Okay, corn to go with the wings. Oh, where are my eggs? Oh, okay. Eggs for breakfast. Front delicious. Put that in the freezer. It's a freezer. And then we have the hamburger meat. Hamburger meat. Put that in here. We have scallops. So I'm making this with the shish kebabs, the shrimp shish. So it's gonna be shrimp and scallop shish kebabs. I hope that keeps it frozen. And then chicken wings. Put that in the sink. We got some cinnamon rolls. Put that on the door. And french fries that we're probably not going to be able to make because there's no oil. I thought maybe there would be like a store somewhere. But there's not. So, oh well. Oh well. I don't think that's gonna stay frozen though. I don't think that's gonna stay frozen. Cause like what? That's, I mean, it's ice up. It's ice up here. I don't know. We'll just have to see, I guess. There's all of that. Y'all, we packed so much. Okay, this bag is empty. Next bag. We got foil, but I see that they have foil at the bottom, so I guess we don't have to use our foil. Pancake syrup. I'm gonna probably put all this stuff in here.
Oil where?
Huh?
That oil where?
Foil.
Oh, foil.
Yeah, look at you. What they got oil in? Honey buns for babe.
Let's go. Oh, I thought it was slowly trying to break.
Yeah, and then we have to pay for that though. Got the s'mores kit. Well, they have s'mores there, so if we don't use this, then oh well. I got me some chips because I got me some spinach dip. And then all this is just like the tomatoes for the burgers, bell peppers for the shish kebabs, plantains for breakfast. Dave got him some grapes and an onion for the shish kebabs and burgers. Now we packed like we about to be gone for like at least a week. At least. pans. I don't have to go in the refrigerator. All right, next bag is like the seasonings and stuff. So we got some butter spray. I got some fish seasoning, something like that.